Definitely the best waves we've had in about a month, because it's the only waves we've had in about a month. Hurricane Debby out in the Gulf right now, churning things up. Not going to be in here long. It is about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'd be surprised if there's still waves in the morning. So this is probably it. Going to get out there and make the most of it. There's a few people out. Hopefully catch a few good ones and catch a few good clips of the boys. See you in the water. It is time to start the music. Definitely caught a few fun ones out there, courtesy of Hurricane Debby. Stayed out as long as I could. Wish there had been a few more people out. I guess everybody else was down the road at other spots. But it was fun, had a blast. Got a beautiful sunset, beautiful clouds. Hurricanes always make cool cloud formations. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit the like button, leave a comment if you want, and we'll see you next video. What's the surf report, Scotty-O?
It seems like it's okay.
It's all right.